Yo, what's up, guys? It's Kenny and Gio.
Sonny? Oh, hi.
Today, we're doing a couple different mods. Headlight kind of clapped.
Oh, come on.
Other one kind of mint. Over here, we got some Greddy parts. Showing you guys the bot. Oh my God. We just gave two chicks one of our cars in a giveaway. Hopefully they don't crash it.
I don't think she knows how to drive though. She just went to the neighbor's parking lot.
Anyway, we got a new Greddy intercooler, and then my little project car over here. I went ahead and bought a stencil, a little Greddy stencil, and we're just painting the logo on the front mounts. This is a Greddy front mount. It's just the old one, trust. We got this one mocked up on the front. And when we first, the instructions say to mount it on this bolt, and it put the thing way too high. It kind of looked ugly. So we went ahead and made our own hole. We drilled a hole and put a rib nut in there, threads. So that way we could drop it about an inch. Now we're just about to pulling all the old intercooler stuff off. You can see the old tiny intercooler down there. Fresh new Greddy piping, old piping, new piping. Came with all new clamps and everything. Like what, 800? 800 bucks? Holy shit.
Shit ripped the fuck out of me. That car is not coming back.
Not in one piece.
All I gotta say is that every car, well, most of the cars that I know that you do a front mount install, it's like just pop and swap pretty much. But that 34 is just a bitch. Like, we need to make a hole on the corner for the piping to actually fit. And it's part of the instructions. It's not as like, you know, making it up. It's literally part of the instructions. So
instructions say get your favorite angle grinder and go to town.
literally.
That's why he came here. That's what I'm doing. I'm just here to cut shit up.
Oh my God. All I gotta say, pay somebody. Instead, you don't have to go. Yo, we've been here for like what, 2 hours now.
What?
I mean, fucking around here, there.
We've literally just been dicking around for 2 hours. We haven't actually done anything.
We just literally started working. You know, it takes, well, we're like 10-15 minutes in, but I still fucked it.
Yeah.
I got here at 13, it was like 16.
I was late too, so
Yeah.
he was on my time.
Kenny's time. Kenny told you he's gonna be there in 40 minutes. It's about an hour and a half wait.
Accurate.
Which that's what happened.
But in case, you haven't posted a video with the new shop, have you?
No.
So this is our shop space. Really, it's a mess. Please don't pay attention. But we got a little shop space cooking up. We got the R32 GTR under construction. My S14 under construction. That R33 you just saw leave, we just picked it up a couple weeks ago. Gio's R34.
Nice.
We have a little Subaru K-truck over here, little guy. Looks a lot better in the sunlight. The cab's got flakes all over it. A couple of crash cars we bought for cheap. A couple more K-trucks we're working on. And that's pretty much all we got going on right now.
Yeah.
Just little projects here and there. Doing some paint work. We're about to be painting a Supra next month, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably bring Gio up here to fucking record, do a little bit of vlogging. The process of how we do stuff, how things roll around here, all that good stuff. But
YB Auto.
yeah, YB Auto on Facebook, YB Auto Okinawa. If you don't have the Okinawa, you might get some other weird. I know there's an import shop called YB Auto in like Dubai or something. It's not that one. I wish we were in Dubai. That'd be cool.
So this one is perfect. Right? Which of course which need the clamp thingy. The bitch is the one that goes on that side.
Oh, it does fit, huh?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have to twist. We're probably gonna have to. So you have to cut down in here. We have to figure out where exactly we gotta cut. And then we probably gotta shift this battery sideways and squeeze it in there if we can. Probably get a new tie down eventually. Hold it sideways. You have to delete this plastic, your washer fluid reservoir. That's got to get deleted. With the kit, actually, though, that Greddy sent us, it came with this universal washer fluid bag. So I guess we'll slap this on in place of it, and it just kind of bolts. There's a, just kind of goes right up in here, I guess. But
we should have started doing this earlier because it was sunny earlier to pay the fucking.
That's true. That's alright though. We'll be alright.
I think this, yeah, that's how it goes, right?
Yeah, that one shoots over the top. Or is it twist? No, that's right. No, this one.
Oh yeah, that's
the
one that goes. Yeah.
Wait, no, it's not.
No,
This one goes on
no,
the
because
front.
this one gets insert right here. Somewhere here.
Yeah.
Somewhere the instruction said it goes in there. I'm not a fucking mechanic.
I think we gotta delete this and put it on this.
Yeah, I think so.
So
So
it
this
drops
got
down.
work. I watched a YouTube video on how to do something. I tried doing it. I fuck it up. I call Kenny, and then we watch another YouTube video together on how to do it, and then we fix it.
Yep.
Welcome
But
to my life.
yeah, we're gonna get some of these pipings fitted up. We'll probably come back to you guys once we're
Make some progress.
ready to make a hole. We just polished this headlight up actually today. I just polished that a couple minutes ago
To this one.
compared to that other one over there. Oh shit, my bad, headlight.
Oh, you know what?
But yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we made some progress and show you how things are going.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so we figured something out. This one, it has to go on the second one, that we adjusted, and it goes a little bit on top of the front cover. It does clear the hood. We tried closing the hood already, and it does clear it. And from this side, it's gonna come right here, and Kenny's about to make a hole to make this piping fit in with this one. So this one's going in. He's gonna make where he makes a hole, and it's gonna connect to the other one on top. That's how far we've done so far. So I picked up the camera again. When we make some progress, we're kind of on a rush right now. We're kind of like trying to beat if it rains or like the weather. So we're not we're rushing right now. What? I hate you.
So we got the front mount on all the way. It actually looks really good. Looks real nice. We dropped the mounting point and the instructions. You gotta mount it to the hood bolt right there. We dropped it, made our own with a little rib nut like I said earlier. And all the piping and stuff still fit. Everything looks really nice. Got the stencil sprayed on there. Over here, we just cut the hole in the side right there. Covered it up with some chassis coating to prevent rust. Top pipe, all that's good. We just tightened down all the hose clamps. Gio's doing the bottom brackets and tightening everything up, and then we'll toss the bumper on and see how she looks.
So like we showed earlier, everything is already done. We just finished tightening up everything. We're into an issue, but Kenny rewired my horns again, and he actually cleaned my headlights, which look fucking beautiful. And then right now the only thing we have left is to put the bumper back on. Everything else really like tight. I covered the hole, the extra hole that was there, because of the delete of the old mount, so water doesn't get in the intake. And then it comes with a little replacement bag for the windshield fluid. So Kenny just installed all that, and I believe it comes with a little motor, right?
Yeah, it came with the. I'm not a huge fan of this soap, because it's like there's only one motor, and it's like one motor. It gives you some hose and it gives you a T-piece. It should have been two. It should be two motors, because you got a front and a rear wiper. I mean,
I don't mind.
We wired it in, so they both spray at the same time. So
yeah,
they both work.
They both work. Yeah. So now we're gonna put the front bumper before it gets darker, and then clean up, and then we should be done. So I'll show you guys how it looks like. I'll have to put the front bumper. Hopefully it's gonna be on time for you guys to see it. Alright, so this is a couple days later. Well, I don't know, like a week or two later after I did my front mount. I was supposed to finish the video that day, but it was really dark at the time we were done. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in the day, because you know, now you guys are gonna be able to tell. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really sunny out here, but like you can see the Greddy work like all the way at the bottom. A lot of people already recommended me to like get rid of the plate, so you can see the entire front mount. So it will definitely look nicer, but I just kind of run you know, I had to put my front plate out here. And I was waiting to wash my car so you guys could see it. Because every single time I show you guys the car is like dirty as hell. And it's dirty as hell right now. Like I wash it, like it's raining for the past 4 or 5 days. So the car is like, it needs to be clean. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the ending of how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it from far away because it's sunny. But that's just how it looks for now. And then the work ready, pretty well in there. But yeah, I'll put the video together and post it again on the channel. But again, I just want to show you guys the final, how I ended up looking and everything. I think it was spray paint and everything. See you guys in a different video.